Okay, let's start. Good, good day. Maybe just for everyone. So it's good. It could be good evening, good morning, and good afternoon. Yeah. Let's just go straight into it. First off, yeah, we did go out last week, but I ended up not liking the pictures. You can see on my screen. I did take. Ooh, my wife. Some pictures. Um, Top of what? Antipolo. Yeah. And we did go to what's this? Got the name of the what do you call this? Falls. Nulugan Taktak. There you go. But yeah, didn't take. I did take some long exposure. Took some long exposure. Right around Real Triangle. But yeah, not really liking it. So yes, I'm gonna go back to 2 weeks. Picture 2 weeks back. I have this one, a reflection, so it's gonna be the same as last week. I think this one. Yeah, I removed the what do you call this? The floating something here. But yeah, this time around, what I'm thinking is just gonna stick whatever we have right now. Not to edit too much. So and do not extend more than 15 minutes. I always ended up extending 15 minutes and beyond. So first off, of course, what is this? I did create or I did enable profile correction. Let's just check remove chromatic aberration as well. Um, aspect ratio. Let's go for 4:3 again. hmm Yeah, I think that's it. Liking the crop, same as before. I did correct the horizon line on the camera itself, so it's gonna be easier. So yeah, I think it's straight. So click on done. What else? Temperature. Let's set everything to auto. We do have some orange there. What about this one? Um, make it more ethereal. Let's remove some contrast there. What else? Of course, I'm gonna remove this later. Hmm, vibrance. Okay. I don't know what color is this one, but yeah, let's check. I don't know if I'm gonna add more contrast because we just removed some of it. I'm gonna make it more what do you call this? Flat, flat image. Let's just leave the what's this? Contrast here. Just make it default. I want to saturate the color. What's this? I don't know if it's blue. Let's see what happens. I mean, I want to see what will happen if we just leave the colors alone. What else is in there? I think this is orange. And not too much. Why don't we just desaturate it? I mean, leave everything blue, right? I hope this is blue. I don't want to go overboard. Ah, yeah, I can remove this, but not this one because it has a reflection here. What else? Mm, I just want to make the shadows more black. What else? We did turn on the what's that? Enable profile correction. Yeah, we did turn that on. Shadows. Introduce more shadows. Let's check if we have. Oh yeah, we do have what they call this clipping. So it means that it doesn't have any um details in it anymore. So I did go. I went too far on the blacks. But then again, we're making it flat, right? So let's try this. Making it more darker, but killing the blacks. So I'm gonna put something here, point here, and then try to make this a little bit darker but flatter. No, 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 no. Medium contrast, and then make this flat. Let's see, before and after. Mm, this is the before. It has some orange in it. Now I did remove it, so it's plain blue. Let's check what will happen if we introduce more vibrance in it. More, as in more. Mm, what happened to this one? I mean, this looks flat. This one does. I mean, does have some blacks in it. I mean, I did kill some black, as you can see here on the histogram. We don't have any black anymore. It's somewhat dark gray. Hmm. I don't remove the red as well. What color is this one? This one, this one. It's not orange. Um, eeh, we've killed this one. There you go. Mm, how about split toning? For the highlights, like introduce a little bit of orange or red. Eeh, let's just leave it like that. I mean, really not my thing to make it just simple. What if we put back the orange? I mean, this is what happens if you do it in one take. You really don't know what to do. Oh, and you'll end up with, I don't know. Nope, that's disgusting. How about yellow? And put um get more saturation. Yeah, we ended up with the same thing. Just bring out the color. If I remove the orange, then split toning with highlights. Um, I'm gonna hold option. No, not that. We introduce shadows. A more they call bluish shadow. I don't know what color is this one. I just want to replicate it on the shadow side of things. This one. Let's check. I mean, it looks calm. What do you guys think? This is the before. This is the after. We did kill the details here. Before and after. I'm seeing double now. Huh. Before, after, before, after. Why don't we? What about the contrast? If we add more, looks horrible. If we lessen the contrast to make it more ethereal, how about remove the dehaze? Put more clarity in it, but remove the dehaze. We're dehazing it. Remove the dehaze. We're dehazing it. Make it more um, darker by the exposure. Let's see. It's the before. This is the after. Yeah, doesn't have anything in it. What if we add more? And again, it's darker. And we're introducing more colors in it. remove the vibrance. Um, remove this one. What did I do? Okay. This still have slight hint of orange. Let me remove the yellow. Oh, yellow in it. How about purple and magenta? Aqua, green, blue, aqua. Let's bring back the aqua. Purple. See, we did introduce some contrast here. Already there. We just we call this introduce more contrast so we can see the what do you call this boats here. What if we remove this one? Where will it get its color? Eesh, disgusting. Yeah, I'm not gonna spend much time here. I'm just gonna do content aware in Photoshop. So there's that. But yeah, I wanna see how I really wanna check the overall picture. I mean it's plain. I mean slight changes, right? No orange. Let's see. See what will happen if I post it. Hopefully someone would like it. Yeah, I guess that's it. I mean, let's see. Let's see. But yeah, um, kind of liking it. There's that. See you in another or on the next video.